My bees were being robbed out this morning. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna blow them off with a leaf blower, and then I'm gonna count to 10 and watch, they'll all be back. Watch this. 1, 2. Got to get in my truck this morning. I just looked out over the bee yard and I was like, the bees are crazy in the yard today. What is going on? And I could just see them flying in all directions everywhere. And you know, I just kind of picked up on, I need to walk out to my apiary and see if anything's going on. And sure enough, 2 hives that were in the process of being robbed out this morning. Yeah, I don't know how they woke up so cranky today and decided to start to take each other out, but they did. So this is what robbing looks like on a hive. You can tell it's robbing because you have the bees coming in even through these little, this vented top cover, which I'm about to remove. Through every hole, crook and cranny, you've got bees surrounding, trying to get in this hive. And so I'm going to go ahead and put a robber screen down here on the bottom, and I'm going to take off this vented top cover and see if I can slow down this robbing this morning. It's only 8:30 in the morning. The bees got up early to get in trouble. Okay, so I put the robbing screen on. The bees will come in, the bees that belong there will come in and out of the top. They'll figure it out. But the other bees can't get in through the entrance in which they smell. This hopefully will slow down the robbing. I've also taken off the vented top cover so that there's not as much smell available there. And that vented top cover had a hole in it and an entrance, so it had 2 additional places for them to guard. So this should help tremendously. And I have put in the slider in the bottom of my screen bottom board as well to try to close off any smell there. I'll show you, this is the hive next door. Peaceful, nothing going on. And then this is the hive that's being robbed out this morning. And it is one of my weaker hives, which is, I don't know how the bees determine that and figure it out, but they do, and that's the one that they get. And sure enough, that's exactly what happened here this morning. So anyway, hopefully this will slow down the robbing soon. And here's the activity on this hive, the first hive that was being robbed. After about 8 hours, it settled down. And a couple days later, this white hive, you can see all the dead bees piled up. This because the robber screen was on. This hive is not going to make it. You can see the dead bees here, but there's also very little population inside of the hive. And so unfortunately, this hive has been robbed out and will not survive at this point. Robber screen on it, as you can see there, and taking off the top screen vented board. This one has a solid bottom board on it, so hopefully this will settle down the robbing on this hive as well this morning. All right, I want to show you just something just for fun. This is not going to help the situation at all, but just to show you how magnetic these robber bees are on this hive, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blow them off with a leaf blower, and then I'm going to count to 10 and watch, they'll all be back. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and they're all back. It's been about 2 hours since I put the robbing screen on this hive. And you can see that there is still a lot of activity around this hive, including bees trying to get in all over the place. And I probably can't see it, but you can see a lot of crazy activity around the hive. So I'm still watching this hive. I'm a little bit concerned about it. All right, it's been 24 hours. You can see the activity in this hive is calmed down for the most part. And hopefully, we'll see how things go today, but hopefully that's the end of this robbing session. Hi, this is Ray. When you hit like, subscribe, or leave a comment, it really helps me to build my channel. So thank you so much. It's been about 2 hours. We can see that the activity has slowed down. I've got a bunch of bees that have decided to hang out underneath here on this hive, as well as the hive next door to it. And so the robbing activity has definitely slowed down, but there's still some unusual activity around this hive. I'll check it again in a little bit and see where we're at.